So, und da sind wir bei meinem großen Abenteuer hier. Ob da sich mit dem von meinen Eltern von meiner Mama und Bruder tun. Und mir den direkt lassen mit der Card Player. Hey Cowboy, I play a game of cards with. Hey Cowboy, play a game of cards with us. Yo, do you need a freshener in how the game plays, or do you want jump in? Just deal already. Let's stop talking and start playing, then deal them out. Spiel mir überhaupt. Ich komme so Poker. Schon $15 bitte. Zing, Schlepper, okay. Bin ich aus Ning. Hey, ich mal um 5. Race. Da muss ich wirklich all in gehen. Ah komm. Suck it. Gib Card. Ich hab vorhin ein Card Wessel im Englisch. Ah ja, ich kann Card Wessel, stimmt. Scheiße. Oh, der Wichser. Also, haben wir uns ganz Geld schon mal verloren, das ist aber nicht schlecht. Ui, you should know how to lose big at life card. A good spot losing that much to a couple of players like us. You know that. You know what? I know something that might just interest you. You know how you told us about the murderer you're hunting down there in the game? Well, we know something juicy about him. The man knows how to dress himself. His grey slacks and white shirt and tie perfectly complement his skinny figure. Thank you kindly. Hope it helps you along your way. Okay, tipptopp. Wir wissen schon ein bisschen mehr von unserem Bösewicht. Was hier? Hey there, stranger, there ain't nothing like no saloon to relax, don't you think? Something to drink and music y'all need is all you need to forget the troubles. Gro. Ja, ein schwarz Krawatte von du hier. Wie kam das denn aus? Also wo kann ich denn mein Dingens gucken? Y. Journal. Clues. He wears a white shirt and tie that accentuates his skinniness. He's got grey slacks. He's definitely got a hat with an edged brim. Okay. Jetzt ja kein Duell auf offener Straße, ne? Can anyone help me? Sure, ma'am. Honey, do you have a moment to spare? I could really use some help. How can I help? Well, my husband is drunk, never comes home, and spends all our money on booze. I need someone to bring him home. I'll go get him for you. Fight godness, just bring him home. Just bring him to me once you get him. Sure that? Vielleicht nicht die Würden am Exosuits. Nicht viele wissen. You know what, fella? Never marry a woman. It just ain't worth it. She asked me to bring her home. You know what? What you doing with her? Just come along. You're going home. I don't wanna. Let me be. I'll stay right here. Okay, ich meine, du könnt den Punkt, wir können eine alles aufzählen. Wow, danke. Draw a gun. Bitch, alright. Alright, I come along. Hold your horses. Alright, let's go. Then let's go. Ohne Mod, Wichser. What? Ah, you got him, thank goodness. I could kiss you, so what's the story? My ranch was burnt down and my family murdered. What? That's gosh damn terrible. That lazy sheriff shouldn't let this kind of thing happen. I would take you to that sad sack and give him a piece of my mind. Ich komm ab. Hey, excuse me, you worthless pile. This man has been through something terrible and still took the time to help me. Well, if you could fix it, ma'am, I guess it don't... Yeah, such a waste. Make sure you help this boy. Okay? Bitch, help me. So what do you want, kid? Someone burnt down my ranch. I'm looking for the man who murdered my family. Oh nope, no. I do not do vendettas. What you're talking about is 100 times worse than what that woman came in with. You think I'm gonna stick my nose to this? I ain't gonna go after him, and you aren't ready to handle someone who could do that. So you're able to handle a domestic quarrel, sure. But look here, I know who did it, and his shadow is a lot longer than yours, kid. All I can give you is a clue and point you in the direction of folks who can maybe help you further. Few of those who have met him have survived. However, caught a glimpse, I will never forget that terrible grey jacket. Rancher Bob has having troubles northwest of here, outside of town. Help him out and hopefully I will get you closer to the man you're looking for. Okay, wir müssen bei der Rancher Bob gehen. Bob von Tante gesagt. Ja, das passt du. Is it du? Wanted, dead or alive. Around forest. Ah, ich mal gucken. That's so northwest. Are you ever sick of your clothes? Pursue what you're getting at. Somewhat. I heard the storage at the Clinton station that sells manner of clothing. They were lacking taste too. Though. That's great. Well, it might not be a cup of buck juice, but it's a neat thing to check out other than guns. Huh? Okay, yeah. Not die Fresse. Hello there, stranger. You seem like the adventuring type. Maybe, just maybe, you're man enough for this life. Rulers. How could you tell? I have a way with folk. My gran always told me I'm a people person. I always talk a lot with people. They always have something interesting to say. Usually I come out wiser than before I met them. Although not everyone has a story to tell, but I always enjoy the company. Some people are just rude though. Walking away in the midst of a conversation, I mean, the nerve. Luckily you're not one of those sellers and you've got manners unlike some. Like I said, I'm a people person, so I can't tell. You know, man like you, man with patience, they are just ready these days. I think I went through at least 2 husbands and 3 betrothed men. All telling me I drove them crazy. Always so. Ja, ich kann gut verstehen. Always telling me to shut up. But that's not the way to treat a lady, I can tell you that. I just wanted some attention. It always seems when I don't talk to people, they never talk to me, even if I help them or am kind. It's kind of sad, but I always see things from the bright side. I know most people don't have a lot of time on their hands. Wow, tell me something when I talk to you. This reminds me of my first boyfriend. He was such a great listener, always let me finish my sentences and never gave me a complaint. It's a shame he died. He would have been for me. I still find it odd he did not hear the stampeding buffalo coming at him. I mean, everybody yelled at him. Come to think of it, what I asked him. And again, what man does do that? I was so lazy, I don't mean to offend you or anything, I didn't mean you personally. Gran always taught me blah. Gran was the best Gran, blah. I have a way with folk, blah. I always talk a lot with people, they always have something interesting, blah. Also, not everyone has a story to tell, but... Da hat man doch schon. Way too rude, so fuck you, das Wäschgens. Bitch. Oh, was Neues. Wie viel das hat? Teary-eyed woman. Hey, you seem good with a gun. You murderer! Well, you see, I was planning to pay my respects up north at the graveyard, however. Some scary bandits are all over the place. I went downhill after the preacher left. It makes me sad my dad lies there, but I'm too scared to visit his grave. I'll get rid of the bandits. Thank you. You're the real gentleman. Wo waren die? Das sind alles Banditen. Good day. Are you here to drop off some boots? I'm a collector after all. What do you mean? Well, wouldn't want to go. You wouldn't want to step in the grave without your boots on. I don't follow. You're a grave robber. I know not quite nothing so flavorful. I just take the dead bodies and put them in the ground. Well, always I got a back to it. Lots of boots to bury. Was ist da reden, aber so Banditen? Ich kann eigentlich Banditen entdecken. Ah. It's a nice set you got there. Look at what the cat dragged in. Oh yeah! Oh fuck, what? What the fuck, guy? Meter, lass mich da... Fuck. Nee, zerkrut mich shit. Ja! Bitte, ich gehe mir, gell? Das ist dick schwer, du ein bisschen Übersicht zu behalten. Shit, geil. Ja, wo krieg ich schon fucking Hut hier? Okay, Gesundheit. Boah, ist ganz so einfach, gell? Also ging ja Mann, das hat nicht voll so einfach. What? Das Waschkins. Bitch. Ich muss sowieso im Hofer Stadt, weil ich bis Northwest reingekommen, nicht Trupp. Sobald ich mit Waffenpaar auspacke, pickt die riesige Waffe aus. So, warte, ich mal gucken, ob ich schon Info Gesundheit kaufen. Bis da Info gehen. War einfach Hit verkaufen. Mir ob das Hits sind für Gesundheit oder? Howdy, hon. I will do my very best to provide you today. I'm available for all your hat needs. I'd like a no hat. A regular hat. Okay. Was 50 Dollar für ein Leben? Scheiße. Boah, da muss das extra ein bisschen viel sein. Ich will gerne rauskommen aus dem Gespräch. No thanks. Yo. Ja, dat wil wel voor mij. Maar ja, dat zo nicht wohl andere Menschen ja nur das spannender Folge. Merci noch gucken, liken und drinnen gehen, subscriben können, wenn ihr das noch nicht tut. Bis die nächste Jahr. Ciao. What that scumbag did was terrible. I will help you find the murderer that took away your family. To find the murderer, you're gonna help out people around town. When they trust you, they will be glad to give you information. Don't forget to keep track of people you talk to and the promises you make. Keep it